Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fold down these rear seats on your Tesla vehicle. So if you look in here, there's really no buttons. You just have to look for this little ribbon loop right here, somewhere on the bottom of the vehicle. So if you sit in there or something like that, it should be on your left-hand side. But just press this, and then you have to fold it down at the same time. So you might need two people to do this, but the center one is very easy. You can just pull it down just like that, and then you got the cup holders and stuff on there. So here's one. I can get this one here at the same time. So you need two people. You got to press it and then fold it. So the only problem is this rear seat is too far down, so the skin is stuck right there. So let's try this one now. So I'll do it right now on the back. Okay. And this one goes all the way down. So very easy to bring down. So just move your seats far enough forward so you can get it all the way down, and then you got extra space in the back here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.